Hi, I would like to thank Tripped for sending me this 6-pack of compression travel cubes so that I could try these out and give you my opinion about these. These are amazing. So let me show you what you get and then I'll show you what they look like in action. So you get two of these larger size, and here's the other one. You get this one, you get one of this one that is a little bit smaller. This one is like a bag that you can actually hold all of the bags in for storage, but you could also use this for like dirty clothes. This is another compression cube that's a little bit smaller. You could use this for all of your undergarments. For a trip, you could fit actually a lot in here. And then you've got a couple of extras here. So this one is very deep. It's kind of like a tube. You could put toiletries in here, or you could put shoes. Same with this one. It's a little bit more flat. You could use this one for maybe curling irons, again, toiletries, soaps, things like that. So I am going to show you how these work. Okay, in this pile of clothes, I've got 3 pairs of pants, 5 shirts, 3 pairs of shorts, and a romper. I've got 3 swimming suits, 4 cover-ups, and a swim shirt. And we're going to fit these in 2 of the cubes. So I normally roll my clothes when I pack, but now that I have these packing cubes, I don't need to do that. So I've got the teal color. The white zipper is the one that you unzip to open up the cube and put the clothes in. And then the black zipper goes all the way around a couple of times so that you can compress the cube. So it does take some squeezing, pinching, pushing together to get that black one to zip, but then now it is compressed. And then this one was actually a little bit easier. I think I could have gotten maybe 1 or 2 more swimsuits in there. So there they are. That huge pile of clothes is now in the 2 compression cubes. Really recommend this.